गोंय पालिका कायद्यातल्या दुरुस्तेचेर बोफोर स्टफांनीत हल्लो चडयल्या उपरांत ते बुधवारा विधानसभेत पास जाले। पालिकेचो नगराध्यक्ष निवडटना आदी गुप्त मतदान जाताले, पूण आता कायद्यातले दुरुस्ते उपरांत हात वयर करून मतदान जातले। हे दुरुस्तेक फातोडेचो आमदार विजय सरदेसाय धरून विरोधी पक्ष मुखेली युरी आलेमावा सयत 7 विरोधी आमदारांनी खर विरोध केलो, पूण सरकार आनी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन विरोधकांचेर आड नदर करून हे बिल पास करून घेतले।
Those people who can't manage the council are bringing such type of bills in the house. Speaker sir, he loves आणि म्हाका दिसता हे जर आमी पास केलें जाल्यार आमी क्लियर कट मेसेज घालता। तुमकां एक सांगता, ते सिमित्रीचेर बरयल्लें आसता, आयज म्हाका फाल्यां तुका म्हणून। तुमी सदांच चिंतच्या तुमी रुलिंगान आसतले म्हणून। एक दीस तुमी हांगा रावन बॉब मारूंक लागतले, ना ना आमकां भितर घ्या, बॉब म्हणल्यार हें कर म्हणटलो एक्सपंज, ते म्हणूंक ना, मागीर मारतलेच तुमी, ना हे कळ्ळें लोकशाहीचो हत्या म्हणून। स्पीकर सर, एक क्लियर कट हांव सांगूंक सोदतां, मुखेलमंत्र्यान सांगचें 3 वर्सांनी ही ताका आयडिया कित्याक येवंक ना, आतांच कित्याक आयली मडगांवाक मार खातकर, शेण खातकर हे पार्टीन, की 15 जाण उबे रावले फोटोक, 10 मतां पडली, दुसरे दिसा कायदो बदल। इज नॉट डुईंग एनीथिंग।
This bill, Speaker sir, is going to turn into a virus. This will spread and multiply, and it will kill the democracy not only in municipalities, all over. It was our Congress government, Speaker sir, at the center, the then leadership Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi did with the 73rd and the 74th amendment. He had brought this, given powers to these self-governing bodies. So Speaker sir, if you pass this bill, and to kai sangta Speaker sir,
select committee girls, Speaker sir, select committee that day, let us study it.
If you pass this bill, you will remain in the history as murderers of democracy. Yes. Freedom of speech and freedom of choice. I demand that this bill should be withdrawn.
Yes.
Honourable Member Shri Vijay Sardesai has expressed his views on the bill. Ultimately, in a democratic process,
select committee
the bill. It's the decision of the government and the ordinance that we have already brought out, and we have brought this to the House. This is to have it passed. Honourable Leader of Opposition also has expressed his views, but we as a government have taken a decision, and everything what the Congress has done is not the gospel truth or something good for this country. It's my appeal to you to put it for vote, because this is the decision of the government, and we are unanimously taking this forward, and we have no interest in having this forward to the select committee. Request to move the bill number 5 of 2023, the Goa Municipalities Amendment Bill 2023 be passed.